Are you tired of bank statements that look like a foreign language? Do you wish you could see exactly where your money goes without having to wait for a monthly report? Well, what if I told you there's a bank that puts all the power in your hands, right from your phone? Welcome to the world of Monzo. In a sea of traditional banks, Monzo is what's known as a challenger bank, and its current account is shaking up the way people manage their money. So, what exactly is it, and why is that vibrant coral card everywhere? The Monzo current account is a full UK bank account, but it operates entirely through its award-winning app. You get a sort code and account number, just like any other bank. But the real magic starts when you make a transaction. Every single time you spend, you get an instant notification on your phone. You'll know exactly how much you've spent and where, giving you a real-time view of your finances. But it goes so much deeper than just notifications. The app automatically categorizes your spending, so you can see if you're overspending on takeaways or subscriptions. You can set up pots to separate your money for specific goals, like a holiday or a new phone. And the best part? You can automate your finances with features like Salary Sorter, which lets you automatically divide your incoming paycheck into your different pots, so your bills and savings are taken care of before you even have a chance to spend the money. Monzo is also great for travel. You can spend abroad with no fees, and it uses the MasterCard exchange rate, making it a budget-friendly option for your next adventure. Plus, you can instantly freeze and unfreeze your card in the app if you lose it, giving you peace of mind. For those moments when you need a little extra help, they also offer things like overdrafts and loans, all manageable within the app. Opening an account is simple and takes just a few minutes, with no physical paperwork. You just need a smartphone and a valid form of ID. It's all about making banking intuitive, transparent, and completely in your control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.